everyone! I am Teacher Moon! Let's learn and play together! Today, we start with the letter F. Ready? Here we go! F is for frog, jumping in the pool. Splash, splash. F is for fish, looking so cool. Swish, swish. F is for fox, running in the wood. Dash, dash. F is for fantastic, feeling so good. Yay, yay! F starts with F. F. Let's learn and play. English is fun with Teacher Moon. Sing along to this happy tune.